welcome back to my channel. This is Demelza's Delights. Demelza is my middle name, of course. It's a delight to be vegan. You can see today that I have created a very glam, glittery look. I received a parcel from Glitterpuss, so I'm going to take you through their products today. This is actually owned by Ashley, who is a friend of mine. It's a New Zealand company, and I'm super excited to show you what she stocks and her range. As always, my channel is 100% vegan and cruelty-free. So are these biodegradable glitters that I have on my eyelids. I'm going to show you how I created the look. Ashley sent me a few items of clothing and I have created a small lookbook for you. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you really enjoy this video and let's get into it. Let's first start with the glitters that I received. So Glitterpuss, or my friend Ashley, she sent me 3 of their biodegradable glitters. Pink, blue and purple. Today I have demoed for you the blue and the pink on my eyes. I've created a really thick glitter winged eyeliner and I've only got the glitters on my lid. Also use the Kryolan Cake Eyeliner Sealer. This one here doesn't have any animal ingredients in it. The Kryolan are a cruelty-free brand. I used this eyeliner sealer to create almost like a paste and then I applied the glitter to my lids. Just using a really small angled liner brush. This was easily done. It was super easy to go in and tidy up the liner with a makeup remover wipe, and this would be the way that I would recommend you try to recreate this look, is by using minimal base eye products and packing on the glitter eyeliner and then tidying it up afterwards. I got some pretty cool stickers as well. So this one here's got Rip and Dip on it. It is a smiley face with a little cat attached to it as well. This one here is the Mona Lisa holding a cat, and everyone knows that I love cats. So these 2 stickers are pretty cool. I'm not sure where I will stick them, but I'm sure I'll find somewhere. I really like the packaging and the logo. It's very funky. It's very kind of 70s glittery vibe. I will link all of the details for Facebook, Instagram and their website so you can find these items and where to buy them in the description box down below. We will move on to clothing now. I don't really know if this is part of clothing, but these are nipple covers, and of course you can wear these under clothes or you can wear them on their own. So I've got some videos here of me wearing a set of them underneath a gorgeous lingerie top that they sent me as well. They were very easy to apply. I just peeled off the backing and stuck them on. When I took them off, they weren't sore at all. I've worn other brands of nipple covers before and they hurt to take them off, but these ones do not, so I was really pleased with that. You can see that the adhesive is around the outside, and then you've got a circle of fabric in the middle, and that's obviously so that you don't rip off your nipples. I would say I could use these ones again. These were the ones that I wore when I created the little lookbook. I'm going to try to reuse these, so I'm going to stick the backing back onto the adhesive, and I am sure that I will be able to reuse these when I go to a concert or a festival. The other colours that I was sent: plain black star, which I really like, gorgeous rainbow butterfly. This one is quite large, you can see here the size comparison, so those are definitely for when you want to show them off. And then a larger size of the rainbow heart, so that's the small pink heart, and then this is the large rainbow heart. I don't know how much use I will get out of those nipple covers. I normally only wear them underneath garments. This was the first time that I had actually worn a set of them where you could see them, but I think it still looks really nice. It's probably something I would wear with a little cover over the top. I think it has its purpose for festivals and costumes. Again, it's probably not something I would wear all the time, but I really love the range that they have. Okay, let's get on to my favourite part, and that is the clothing. I was sent 2 chokers. One is a colourful rainbow plastic one that reminds me very heavily of my childhood in the 90s. Actually, this one does as well. This is I think it's like a heavy felt lace-up choker, so I'm just going to try this one on now. Let's see how savvy I am at doing this without a mirror. Probably not savvy at all. So you could wear this at the front, the bow at the front, or you could wear it at the back. I'm going to, I don't really like the bow. I think I'm just going to leave it in a knot down low. I think I did it too tight. It's a very thick choker, so you can see that it is quite wide. I do really like this. I'm not really sure what I would wear it with, but yeah, I think it's quite cool. They also sent me this gorgeous lingerie set. So this is a cute tie-up bikini brief with very, very long straps on it. And the bikini top to match, which is the one that I'm wearing with the small heart pasties. I really like that the ribbon is super long on this because I was able to wrap it around my waist maybe 2 or 3 times and then tie it up at the back. This is a handmade lingerie set. I think it is just really gorgeous. I would obviously not wear this out in public. I would wear this at home. But you can see here how I've worn the top with my favourite pair of pink camo pants, and I think the look just ties together really well. I really like that. The other amazing thing that they sent was this super cool, super stretchy fluoro fun top. It's long sleeved. Again, I think this is handmade. I'm not sure if she buys these in or if she makes them herself. I'll find out for you. Really cool stretchy fabric. You can see here that I've paired it with a bright pink bra underneath. I've worn it with some long black leggings and I tied a shirt around my middle. I quite like wearing that type of look to concert. I like to wear like a crop top with long leggings, some funky sneakers and something tied around my waist. And the thing I like about this fluoro top is that the bottom of it has the black elastic on it, and I found that really easy to roll up and just have around my midriff. So you can wear it as a long top or you can wear it as a crop top like I did. In summer this would be very, very cute over your bikini top, and it's very light for travel. A huge thank you to Glitterpuss for sending me these fantastic biodegradable glitters, the fun stickers, the nipple covers which you can wear underneath clothing or you can wear them as pasties and show them off at a festival. The wonderful clothing. I absolutely love the fluoro top and I love the black lingerie set as well. These chokers are so super cool. I forgot what it was like to embrace my inner 90s pop diva. The eyelets on this choker are very well put in. Yeah, it's a very well made choker. So thank you for the chokers as well. I absolutely adore them and I can't wait to get more use out of these. As said previously, Glitterpuss is a New Zealand brand. I will link all of their details in the description box down below. I'm going to leave you now with some more images of the lookbook, the mini lookbook that I created using some of the clothing that they sent me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Something a little bit different. Hopefully you'll go and check out Glitterpuss, the website, and see what other funky things they sell. I hope you like the colourful winged eyeliner look I created with their biodegradable glitters. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one. Please subscribe to my channel. Please leave a big thumbs up on this video. See you later. Bye!